Summary of the Assam Tribune 22 August, Friday 2020. Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India is an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administering union and state election processes in India. The body administers elections to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and state legislative assemblies in India, and the offices of the President and Vice President in the country. Article 324 to 329 of the Constitution deals with powers, functions, tenure, eligibility, etc. of the Commission and a member. Composition and tenure. The Commission consists of one Chief Election Commissioner and two Election Commissioners. The President appoints Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioners. They have a fixed tenure of 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, is a premier investigating police agency in India. It functions under the superintendence of the Department of Personnel, Ministry of Personnel, Pension and Public Grievances, Government of India. However, for investigations of offences under the Prevention of Corruption Act, its superintendence vests with the Central Vigilance Commission or CVC. CBI is neither a constitutional body nor a statutory body. It is an investigating agency which derives power to investigate from the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946. National Commission of Protection of Child's Rights is a statutory body set up in March 2007 under the Commission for Protection of Child's Rights CPCR Act 2005. It works under the administrative control of the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India. The Commission's mandate is to ensure that all laws, policies, programs, and administrative mechanisms are in consonance with a child's rights perspective as enshrined in the Constitution of India and also the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. Under the NCPCR, the child is defined as a person in the 0 to 18 years age group. Swachh Sarvekshan 2020, it is the 5th edition of the annual Cleanliness Urban Survey conducted by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The survey is a part of the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban. This year, the ministry has released rankings based on the categorization of cities and population instead of releasing overall rankings. In this category of city with population more than 10 lakh, Indore was ranked first, securing the rank for the 4th consecutive year, followed by Surat and Navi Mumbai. Patna, with the rank for the 7, is at the bottom of the list. Guwahati city ranked 356 out of the 382 cities in the category of city with population 1 lakh to 10 lakhs. Shillong ranked 377. Jorhat was declared as the cleanest city in the northeast in the 50,000 to 1 lakh population category. Harit Path app and Harit Bharat Sankalp. National Highways Authority of India has launched a mobile app called Harit Path to monitor location, growth, species details, maintenance activities, targets and achievements of each of its field units for each and every plant under all plantation projects. To commemorate 25 years of its service to the nation, National Highway Authority of India also undertook Harit Bharat Sankalp, a nationwide plantation drive which is in line with its commitment to promote environment protection and sustainability. National Commission for Women is a statutory body established in 1992 under the provisions of the National Commission for Women's Act 1990. It was established to review the constitutional and legal safeguards for women. The body recommends the remedial legislative measures, facilitates redressal of grievances, and advises the government on all policy matters affecting women. It enjoys all the powers of a civil court. Mrs. Rakesh Sharma is the current chairperson of the National Commission for Women. Armed Forces Tribunal. Armed Forces Tribunal (AFT) is an Indian military tribunal established in 2009 under the Armed Forces Tribunal Act 2007. Its primary objective is to adjudicate complaints with respect to appointments and conditions of service In respect of persons subject to the Army Act 1950, the Navy Act 1957, and the Air Force Act 1950, its principal bench is in New Delhi. SITA, State Innovation and Transformation Ayog, is responsible for evaluating and monitoring all government schemes, both central and state, within the state of Assam. It was renamed from State Planning Board Assam by the Cabinet in a decision taken in its meeting held on November 9, 2016. It guides the state government on developing priorities as well as suggests policy guidelines on identifying these priorities and coordinating with all departments of the state government in implementing these priorities. Forex or foreign exchange reserves of an economy is its foreign currency assets added with its gold reserves, special drawing rights or SDRs, and reserve trends in the International Monetary Fund. Foreign currency assets, the total foreign currencies of different countries an economy possesses at a point of time, is its foreign currency assets. Reserve trends is a portion of the required quota of currency each member country must provide to the International Monetary Fund or IMF that can be utilized for its own purposes. Lovelina Borgohain gets Arjuna Award. Boxer Lovelina Borgohain became the sixth sportsperson from Assam to be selected for Arjuna Award. Earlier, Bhogeshwar Barua, 1966 Athletics, Mona Lisa Barua, 1987 IT, Jayant Talukdar, 2006 Archery, Shiva Thapa, 2016 Boxing, Hima Das, 2018 Athletics, were the other sportsperson from Assam to receive the prestigious award. Thank you for today.